It's 6 degrees outside today. Lady's not with me today, and that's a good thing because, oh my gosh, it'd be so cold coming out here. Good morning, friends. Today is Vlogmas Day 7, and I don't know why, but my eyes are like super watery today. Like I'm sick or something, but I'm not. So sometimes that happens to me. Maybe I'm not drinking enough water. But I got up this morning and just looked at these little pickles and just I just laughed. But guess what I forgot to do? Can you tell? I forgot to put the little nodules all over them, the little bumps. Do you think I can leave them like this and not put the bumps on? I think I'll just add a couple. It's just every single bump I add on, I have to weave in 2 strings, which is annoying. But they are so cute. I'm gonna make 3, 4. I'm gonna make about 4 more today and then take them to the store. So let's talk about what we have going on for today. So I'm sitting here drinking my coffee, and I'm gonna be going to Costco today for sure because my son is arriving tomorrow and I wanna make sure I have food here for him. And then in like a week, my other son arrives. So got to clean out the fridge, wipe it down, go to Costco, stock up. Also, I have a Nana list. Got to take that into consideration. She has very specific things on her list that she wants me to get. Most of them I cannot get at Costco. I have to go to the regular grocery store because she likes very small portions of items. If I brought her a Costco-sized item, she would be upset. But anyway, so I also promised you guys, and I also promised myself that I would make my new safety eye color, which is Snowscape, which I'm super excited about. So that's also on the agenda. And I hope sometime today I have some time to crochet, which of course I will. I also need to vacuum the house. I've been doing a little bit of cleaning each day. Today, I think I'm gonna vacuum. I'm seeing dust bunnies. That's bad. So probably going to vacuum and maybe clean the bathroom my son uses. So, and maybe the room that he sleeps in. That's just vacuuming. So that's what I'm doing. My husband is getting ready. He just got back from his workout, and then we're gonna go to the Palace Diner, which is our favorite breakfast place. Hopefully we can get in today. It's like, there's only like 12 seats at a bar. It's a train car. I'm excited to show it to you guys. It is like so cute. I think I've actually put it in one of my videos at one point, but I can't remember. And then after that, we're gonna go to Costco, and then I'll come back and start working on some of these projects. So let's go. I'm getting ready to go into the post office, and I have to show you guys like how adorable this post office is. I feel like I'm in a Hallmark movie. Hold on, I'll show you. We decided to go to Empire Asian restaurant. It's so delicious. I can't wait to show it to you. We just ordered some Asian soup, and we just ordered some Asian tea, and it's so good. And when we come here, it's like, what do we not want? Because we want everything on the menu. So everything is pretty much delicious. So far, we're starting with garlic green beans, pork pot stickers, and I can't remember. There's a third thing, but I can't remember. But this place is so good. If you ever come to Portland, come to Empire. It's delicious. Impulse buy. please. I have my own business account. We're done shopping at Costco. I talked him into a few things that he didn't want to get. I'm back from Costco and getting ready to head in my craft room, and then I remembered that this is what my craft room looks like right now. This is 3 days of Vlogmas and me rushing around and not cleaning up after myself. So I'll take a few minutes and see if I can get this cleaned up before I get started. I'm back from Costco and getting ready to head in my craft room, and then I remembered that this is what my craft room looks like right now. This is 3 days of Vlogmas and me rushing around and not cleaning up after myself. So I'll take a few minutes and see if I can get this cleaned up before I get started. It probably to you felt like seconds, but to me it was an hour. My room was such a mess. When I was at Costco, I purchased a chair. I talked my husband into it. You saw me spinning in it. This chair I have, although I like it, it's way too low. It's more of a lounge chair, like a sitting in front of the TV chair. And I needed a chair I can adjust because it was putting me too low. So I bought a chair from Costco, and now I have to try to put it together. This is called the Henriden chair, and it is an adjustable, super cozy chair. I was looking for a chair that is comfortable but adjustable. And when I saw it, I was like, I have to have this chair. So hopefully it's not too difficult to put together. I finished. And it is perfect. Watch. I can make it higher. I can make it lower. I'm so glad I bought this chair. And honestly, it wasn't that hard to put together. I feel proud of myself. My husband didn't think I could do it, but I did it. Here's the backup of the chair in case you guys want to get it for yourself. The bottom is wooden. And it's kind of like an oatmeal creamy color, but doesn't look like it's going to show a lot of wear and tear or dirt or anything like that. And it has a little lever down here at the bottom that adjusts the height. So super comfy, super cozy, and I put it together in about an hour. I want to go ahead and make the Snowscape safety eyes that I keep talking to you guys about. So I'm going to go ahead and make those and show you like the process, but I probably won't be able to really show you the color until tomorrow when the sun is out, because it is 5:30 and totally dark outside. So we're going to go ahead and make those. I'll show you the materials that I use and give you a little bit of an idea of what they look like. I use this, I think it's plexiglass. You know, you can put paint on it, and it's a mess right now because I probably need to take a blade to it, but this is how I mix my resin and my glitter. I just do it on here with this palette. I just bought this at Michael's, and I bought this at Michael's. And I use this mat to protect my table. I won't tell you I haven't sometimes not taken it out and had paint like all over the table. Okay, the other important thing that I purchased is rubber gloves. So I wasn't using rubber gloves, and one of my viewers said you really need to use rubber gloves because resin will really mess up your skin, and I started to notice getting little cuts on my thumbs that are insanely painful. So in the last week I've only been wearing rubber gloves, so I'm hoping that really helps, because she was right, my thumbs have really been hurting, and I think that's how I wipe the edge of my eye. And I don't use like an oxygen mask or anything. I noticed that Carrie with Traveling Pony Studios uses an oxygen mask, and I don't know if that's something I need to do. I don't paint very many eyes, but I don't know. I'll have to talk to her and see if she thinks that's something that I should invest in. Okay, today we're gonna make Snowscape eyes, which I'm excited about. So I'll show you my glitter I'm gonna use. It's one that I bought a while ago, and I bought it at Michael's. Let me get my glasses. I think it's Recollections, and it's opaque sparkle glitter, and I think it's gonna make really pretty eyes. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I use like resin. This is one that I recently purchased on Amazon. I'll link all these products down below. And then I use this Let's Resin safety eye lamp. I think I could probably, there's one I bought over the summer that I keep at the island that I think is actually a better lamp. The resin tends to get a little harder, so I'll link that one below, not this one, because I really think this one actually isn't hard enough. So after that, I just need my palette, my mixing knife, and I'm gonna go grab some safety eyes. Now, you won't really be able to see these really well until tomorrow, and tomorrow when the sun's out, I will go ahead and show them to you in the sun so you can really see them. But if you use the bigger eyes, like these are 35s and these are 30s, it's a lot easier to see them. I have a lot of people ordering 18s lately, but the 30s and the 35s, you can really see the glitter. Here's the first coat. You can see, I can still kind of see through it, but what a great glitter that is. So this one is cured. I'm gonna go ahead and add the second layer. That one there, now you can see it. This is after the second coat. And I think what I would do at this point, if I can still see through it, I have to decide whether I want to do a white backing or like a light blue. I think it will give me a different look depending on what color I see. I wouldn't keep adding glitter resin, or it's just gonna get too thick. I think at this point I would go ahead and back it with some paint, which is probably what I'll do. I'll show these to you guys tomorrow morning in the sunlight so that you can see like just how amazing they are. But these will be available in my Etsy shop starting tomorrow, and they are called Snowscape. And if you're wondering what tomorrow is, it would be Saturday, December 7th, I believe. So this video is coming out after that, so these would already be out in my shop at that point, and they're going to be available in 18, 20, 25, 30, and 35 millimeter, and they're all offset. I do have center center dies. If that's something you really want, just message me. Right now I just have them for sale that are offset. I just finished working on the big pickle with the pink and white striped hat, and I think he might be my favorite. I also went back and added bumps because they just didn't look like pickles without that. So I added 2 bumps to this guy, and I pretty much added just 2 bumps. I could have added bumps all over the place, but I didn't. This guy has 2 bumps. Actually, this guy has 1 bump. Should probably add another bump to him. And then this guy has 2 bumps. And this guy has 2 bumps. So in total, I made 1, 2, 3, 4 big pickles and 2 small pickles. So 6 pickles in total. And I'll probably keep making pickles because I have 2 pickle jars to fill. But before I close off this Vlogmas for the day, I want to show you how my Snowscape safety eye turned out. And I have my light behind me, so hopefully that helps you guys to see how glittery it is. Here, let me move it a little bit. I put a white layer behind the eye, and that really sets it off and makes it not so see-through. It is gorgeous. So I have an idea to make something that I could put this on to kind of show how beautiful it is. I was thinking a seal, maybe a whale, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna just think about that and then pick something, make it, and then I'll be able to show it in the listing. So I don't know if I'll be able to do that tomorrow, but I can try. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today for Vlogmas, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.